Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf driver head. First, gather your essential tools, especially the specific torque wrench designed for your driver model. Next, locate the small adjustment screw found at the very base of the driver head, where it connects to the shaft. It's crucial to remember that when you reattach a head, a distinct click sound from the wrench confirms it's tightened to the correct specifications, preventing damage or loosening during play. Now, let's remove that old driver head. Take your torque wrench and insert it firmly into the adjustment screw. Begin turning the wrench counterclockwise. You'll feel the screw loosening as you turn. Keep going until the screw is completely disengaged and the driver head feels loose. Once it's free, gently slide the old head straight off the shaft, being careful not to twist or force it. It should come off smoothly. With the old head off, it's time for your new one. Carefully align the new driver head with the shaft, making sure it slides on smoothly and sits snugly. Once aligned, insert your torque wrench into the screw and begin turning it clockwise. You'll feel it tighten. Continue turning until you hear that unmistakable click. This sound signifies that the head is securely fastened to the manufacturer's recommended torque, ready for the course. Before you hit the links, always perform a final check. Give the new driver head a gentle wiggle to ensure it's perfectly stable and aligned. Store your old driver head and the torque wrench in a safe, accessible place for future adjustments. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.